As a leader in digital mortgage transformation, Pavaso empowers lenders and title companies to deliver fully digital and hybrid eClosings through one secure, collaborative platform that streamlines the entire closing process. Designed to enhance your workflow and existing relationships, not replace them, Pavaso connects all permissible parties to exchange information and documents, communicate and collaborate in real time. Getting started on the Pavaso platform is easy. After being added to a real estate transaction, users log into the secure portal from their web browser and can see their dashboard and a variety of applications. On the My Team screen, users can easily connect and communicate with the other parties in the transaction. To facilitate better communication and collaboration, there is an option for messages where users receive real-time notifications and can send secure messages to other parties throughout the closing process. With Pavaso's eClosing platform, you can easily provide customers with one convenient location to receive, review, and confirm all documents throughout the closing process. Simply select an order and you will see that all documents for that transaction are located in one place. This is where you and your business partners can add documents into Pavaso, whether it be through basic uploading or an integration with a doc prep provider. You can now configure your documents by embedding digital tags for signatures, initials, e-notary, and even educational material in any format. Documents coming through an integration will automatically include any signature or notary tags. If adding tags manually, you can save tagged templates so future imports can apply those templates and will have much of the tagging already done. When all documents are completed, simply click a button and the customer is notified to review and confirm these documents. The customer can now log into Pavaso and access Digital Close, which can be branded for your company. Here, they'll see the complete set of documents and can review them by simply selecting the Let's Review button. During this phase, the customer can view any educational materials within the document to gain a better understanding of it. When they review each page of a document, they select Confirm to approve accuracy, and the next document will automatically open. This process will be repeated until they have reviewed and confirmed all documents. Pavaso captures this action as their intent to sign later at the closing table. Pavaso also supports the ability for customers to sign, initial, or complete certain checkboxes or text fields during this review process. For example, if a signature is required, the customer simply selects the placeholder box, sets up their digital signature and initials, and their signature will be placed onto the document. You can track customer progress in the portal as they review and confirm documents. Once the customer has completed their document review, they are ready for the closing. Everyone associated with the order will be notified that the customer has completed this process and can proceed to the closing. Closing agents can perform the closing right from their web browser with our web closing solution. The customer first confirms their presence at the closing with their 6-digit PIN and sets up their digital signature and initials. This signature will automatically be applied to all documents that the customer previously confirmed during their review. Any documents not previously confirmed will be opened and prompted for their signature. If needed, documents can also be printed out for wet signatures and scanned back into Pavaso for digital viewing. To ensure the completeness of each closing, the closing agent cannot finish the closing until all items are addressed and completed. Once the closing agent is finished, they click Complete and all documents are automatically uploaded back into the Pavaso platform, where everyone in the transaction is notified and can then view all completed documents. You and your customers can benefit from Pavaso's secure eClosing platform and gain process improvements such as complete closings in as little as 15 minutes with reduced errors and trailing documents. Give customers the ability to review closing documents and information ahead of the settlement anytime, anywhere from a secure platform. Standardize your closing process and making documents available faster for post-closing activities to begin, and not an IT project with little to no additional technology investment required. Visit pavaso.com for more information.